Jobber's free trial gives you access to its core scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer management tools before you pay, which means you can test almost the full workflow before committing. By the end of this, you'll know how long the Jobber free trial lasts, what features are included, and how to use that trial without wasting it. Here's the main answer. Jobber's free trial in 2026 is designed to let contractors test the platform before picking a paid plan. The exact trial length can change depending on promotions, so always check the sign-up page before starting. That matters because once the clock starts, it doesn't pause. First, here's what you usually get. You can create client profiles, build quotes, convert quotes into jobs, schedule visits, send invoices, and collect payments if payment setup is connected. That's the full business cycle. Lead comes in. Quote goes out. Job gets scheduled. Invoice gets sent. That's what you should test. Don't spend your first 2 days clicking random menus. Use the trial on a real customer. Create one actual client. Build one estimate. Schedule the work. Assign it to yourself or a technician. Then, invoice it. That shows you how Jobber handles your real workflow. Next, test the mobile app. This is where a lot of field software wins or loses. Open the app, start a job, track time, upload photos, and mark the visit complete. If your team works in the field, this part matters more than the desktop dashboard. Then test automations. Set up reminder emails or texts, check if online booking fits your business, and see how follow-ups work. This tells you whether Jobber saves time, or just replaces paperwork with more clicking. One thing to watch: integrations. If you use QuickBooks, Stripe, or other tools, test those during the trial too. Switching later is harder if those connections don't work the way you need. And if you decide not to keep it, cancel before the trial ends. Go to Settings, then Billing, and check your subscription status. That avoids surprise charges. So here's the simple breakdown. The free trial gives you access to Jobber's main tools. The trial length depends on current offers. And the best way to use it is with real jobs, not test data. Your next step is easy. Sign up, run one full job from quote to payment, and write down what slows you down. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Jobber guides, comparisons, and setup tutorials.